Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of AI Present and Future. I'm your host, Raphael, and today we have a special guest, Raisa, who has been researching artificial intelligence for quite some time. We're going to discuss how AI is shaping our lives, its benefits, challenges, and what the future holds. Raisa, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Raphael. I'm really excited to talk about AI today.
AI is a buzzword everywhere. But let's start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence?
AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that enables machines to learn, think, and make decisions similar to humans. AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, and even improve itself over time.
So AI isn't just software. It can actively make decisions?
Yes, AI is behind many everyday things we use. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, recommendation systems on Netflix, and even chatbots like ChatGPT.
That's fascinating. Why do you think AI is so important today?
Because it saves time, increases efficiency, and helps in areas like healthcare, finance, and automation. AI is already transforming industries.
Well, we often hear that AI is revolutionizing different fields. Can you give us some real-world examples?
Of course. In healthcare, AI is used to diagnose diseases, predict outbreaks, and assist in robotic surgeries. In banking, it helps detect fraud and analyze customer spending habits. Even self-driving cars are powered by AI.
So AI is not just limited to tech companies?
Not at all. It's in agriculture for smart farming, in education for personalized learning, and even in creative fields like music and art.
That's incredible. But does this mean AI will replace human jobs?
It's a big concern, but the reality is AI will replace some repetitive jobs while creating new job opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and ethical regulation.
Speaking of ethics, there are growing concerns about AI bias and misuse. Can you explain that?
Yes, AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, AI decisions can also be biased. For example, if an AI hiring tool is trained on biased data, it may unintentionally favor certain candidates over others.
That's a serious issue. What about AI and surveillance and privacy concerns?
That's another challenge. AI-powered surveillance can be used for security, but if misused, it can invade privacy. Companies and governments need to set strict ethical guidelines for AI.
So do we need stronger AI regulations?
Absolutely. AI should be developed responsibly to ensure fairness, security, and transparency. Many countries are working on AI policies, but there's still a long way to go.
Let's talk about the future. Where do you see AI heading in the next 10 to 20 years?
I think AI will become even more integrated into our daily lives. We'll see more advancements in robotics, AI-driven healthcare, and even AI-generated content in movies and news.
Will AI ever become as smart as humans?
That's a hot debate. Some believe AI will reach artificial general intelligence, AGI, where it can think like a human, but we're not there yet. AI is still limited to specific tasks.
That's reassuring. So do you think AI will be more of a friend or a threat to humanity?
It depends on how we use it. If developed ethically and responsibly, AI will be a powerful tool to improve our lives. But if misused, it could have negative consequences. So balance is key.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about something interesting. AI and creativity. Can AI really create original art, music, or even write books?
Absolutely. AI-generated art, music, and literature are already gaining popularity. Tools like DALL-E create digital paintings, AI music composers produce unique soundtracks, and even AI-written books exist.
That's amazing. But do you think AI can replace human creativity?
Not really. AI can assist and inspire, but human creativity comes from emotions, experiences, and imagination, something AI lacks. It's more of a collaboration rather than a replacement.
One last question. How can someone start learning AI if they're interested?
Great question. There are free online courses, coding platforms like Python for AI, and resources like Google AI and OpenAI. Anyone interested should start small, experiment, and stay curious.
That's great advice. So in a sentence, how would you describe AI?
AI is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can shape a better future for humanity.
AI is clearly shaping the future. And while it brings many benefits, we need to be mindful of its risks. Raisa, thank you so much for sharing your insights today.
Thank you, Raphael. I really enjoyed our discussion.
That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to follow our podcast for more tech talks. See you in the next episode. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Minhaj's Easy English.